is Elden Drink, where we mix cocktails to match all of Elden Ring's infamous bosses. First, we will graft a drink that would make even Godrick the Grafted envious. So to start, we're gonna graft in all the liquors we can find for strength. So without further ado, ½ ounce of gin, ½ ounce of vodka, ½ ounce of aged tequila, ½ ounce of Gold Rum, and then, because we do still need it to be drinkable, 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Of course, we wouldn't have our fully grafted strength without the truest of dragons.
Lend me thy strength.
½ ounce of Fireball whiskey. Give that a stir. Then, for the blessing of grace, top with some golden cream soda. And stir. For a deliciously grafted, blessed by grace drink. Forefathers one and all, bear witness. Delicious. Make sure you like and hit subscribe to be summoned for our next boss. Top with